Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is justifiably. Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and intriguing blockchains out there. Other than being an inconceivably imaginative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to estimate how Ethereum's cost might act from here on out. Kindly recall that because of the capricious and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be accepted with some hesitancy. This video doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Ethereum will be $2,222.10. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,762.75. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,286.27. Likely return on initial capital investment, 70.9% by ETH value figure for January 2023 in view of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,684.51 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,524.08 and at $1,732.64. Separately, possible return for money invested, 7.2% by February 2023. Ethereum Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ETH cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,670.87, while the greatest could reach $1,816.87 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,735.05. Likely return for money invested, 12.4% by ETH value figure for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Ethereum in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they foresee may be around $1,769.74 in WALC 2023. It can drop to $1,689.53 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1,886.27. Possible return for money invested, 16.7% by April 2023. Ethereum value figure around mid-year 2022. The ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,822.84 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $1,974.75. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,742.63 in April 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 22.2% by ETH value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Ethereum costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023. $1,895.75. The least and pinnacle ETH rates may be $1,831.59 and $2,065.89. Likely return for money invested, 27.8% by June 2023. Ethereum value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ETH cost will be around $1,933.67. In June 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,869.49. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,160.68 in June 2023. Likely return for money invested, 33.7% by ETH value figure for July 2023. Having broke down Ethereum costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,257.36 in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $1,908.17. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Ethereum is almost $1,972.34. Likely return for money invested, 39.7% by August 2023. Ethereum value gauge around mid-2022. The Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,031.52. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the ETH cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1,951.29 and $2,355.98. Likely return on initial capital investment, 45.8% by ETH value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Ethereum worth won't dip under at least $2,028.29. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $2,437.25. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $2,092.46. Likely return on initial capital investment, 50.8% by October 2023. Ethereum value figure. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of ETH costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Ethereum will be around $2,541.87, with a chance of dropping to at least $2,111.99. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $2,176.15. Likely return for capital invested, 57.3% by ETH value gauge for November 2023. In light of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $2,241.45 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $2,177.27 and at $2,650.67. Separately, likely return for money invested, 64% by December 2023. Ethereum value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the ETH cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $2,222.10, while the greatest could reach $2,762.75 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $2,286.27. Expected return for capital invested, 70.9% by Ethereum value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,229.96. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $3,752.03. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $3,321.41 in 2024. Ethereum value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum in 2025, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $4,787.89 and $5,609.68. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $4,920.75. Ethereum value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Ethereum and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ETH cost could drop to $6,600.